Good morning, catastrophic science students. We begin another week of e-learning, and this week our plans are relatively simple to follow. We're going to be watching an outstanding chemical weapon documentary, which will wrap up our discussion on chemical weapons. Primarily, we'll be finished with chemical weapons after this week. The Red Line is a fantastic documentary focusing primarily on the use of chemical weapons in the 20th and 21st century. You will have the entire week to watch this documentary. It is 1 hour and 50 minutes long, which means that you need to average 22 minutes of video watching each day to get it done in 5 days. However, while you'll be watching this documentary, there is a 9-page packet that has 68 questions on it that you'll need to answer to show that you've been following through and paying attention to the documentary as you're watching it. The packet is attached under the thin red line on Google Classroom. If you can print those 9 pages out and write right on them, that would be a very easy way to do it, but not the only way to do it. At the end of watching this documentary, at the end of the week, this week on Friday, actually you have till Sunday the 12th to get this done, but as you finish the entire packet, you're going to take pictures of the 9 pages and share it with me to my email, steve.hippemeyer@ketteringschools.org. If you do not have a printer and you can't print the 9 pages out, then you could use your phone to take pictures of each of the 9 pages and then write the answers on your own sheet of paper. But you'll want to be able to look at your phone, which will have pictures of the questions on it, while you watch the documentary, so when the answers appear in the documentary, you can just write them on your own paper and number the questions 1 through 68. Now that might sound a lot, it's a lot to do, but if you think about it, you're only going to be watching 22 minutes of the documentary a day, and with 68 questions, that's only 12 or 13 questions that you have to answer on a particular day. This assignment is worth 45 points, which is a tremendous number of points for this class. So take your time, get it done, a little bit each day, and chip away at it. If it turns out that you do not get the video watched by this Friday, you can finish it up over next weekend on Saturday and Sunday. I really don't need it till Sunday, but once again, you're going to share with pictures, or you can scan in, or however you want to share it with me, but I need to see that you answered all 68 of those questions. And again, that goes to my email, not to Google Classroom. While you're watching the video, you'll notice on the question sheets that each of the questions, every question, few questions or so, it will tell you where in the video the question's answer appears, so that you can sort of have an idea as to where to look for the answer. And that should make things a lot easier as you watch it. Please don't just skip ahead from question to question and use the about so that you can get this whole video done. This is a great video. Enjoy watching it. Have a fantastic week in catastrophic, and I hope you enjoy the video.